welcome back to my channel. I'm Naysha Nicole if you're new, and if you're not new, hey boo. So if you couldn't tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a belly cast on my belly, and of course my tatas too. My tatas look like melons, cantaloupes, watermelons, whatever. So we're just gonna put a cast on my belly and my tatas as well, just so I can experience and remember like this moment that I'm in right now. I'm out of breath, y'all. I am in my 3rd trimester or whatever, so like a few more weeks or whatever, and you know, my baby will be here, and so I'll be 34 weeks by the time you guys see this video. I'll be 34 weeks tomorrow, so hopefully I'll upload it. Today is Wednesday. Hopefully I'll have this uploaded tomorrow, and I'll be 34 weeks on Friday. So almost there. Kind of nervous, kind of anxious, whatever. But yeah, so I was planning on, you guys, going to Target and getting my belly cast there, because the last time I went to Target I seen a belly cast or whatever, and I was like, damn, I really want this, but I'll come back for it. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of me going to Target and trying to get this belly cast or whatever. You guys can see the clip and see how it went for me or whatever. But yeah, all right, you guys, so I'm currently in the Target parking lot right now, and it's super freaking packed. I'm gonna come in here and see if I can find the belly mask that we could do, me and boo, because the last time we went here I seen a belly mask that I really wanted, but I don't know why I didn't get it. So we're gonna go in here and see like if they have it in stock. So because I am also registered at Target, you guys, I think I also received like a free gift for the baby, for the registry or whatever of having it. So I'm also going to pick that up here, and also a couple other items. But yeah, so you guys, they did not have the belly mask. Fucking irritated. I should have looked online before I came, but I'm looking at other stuff now. Okay, you guys, so I'm back in the car, and it was a quick little trip or whatever. Unfortunately they didn't have the belly casting kit, and I guess it's like not found anywhere in the other Targets around me, so I'm gonna have to order it online only or whatever the guy said. But then I also try to get my free kit to having, you know, you get a free kit if you have a registry or whatever, and I have one here and on Amazon, and the lady said they ran out of them, so, or they don't have any or some shit like that. So I'm gonna call one Target, and then I'm gonna see if they have it. If not, then fuck it, whatever. But let me just say this, the Target in here, like the employees are very much like rude and does not have customer service. And you guys, I used to work for Target, and like years ago, and they were like really big on customer service or whatever, and this Target had like shitty customer service. Like it was giving very much judgmental, like what the fuck, like I've never seen a black bitch before, I don't know, but I don't know, it was giving very much like, who is this little black girl, whatever. I didn't like it. So anyways, I probably won't be coming back here to this Target, because yeah, it was a little too bougie. You know, I'm a little ratchet, little like fancy too, but this one was too bougie. So yeah, didn't get my registry kit that I have from my registry, didn't get my belly casting kit, and the customer service was shit. So yeah, that's my luck right now. Now that you guys have seen the clip of me going to Target and dealing with that or whatever, never again. I just ended up buying my belly cast from Amazon, you guys, because it was going to be, I think, a 1-day shipping. I have Prime, so it's here already, and this is what it looks like. This is the exact same belly cast that I seen at Target when I went there, and I seen they have that one, or the last one there, I guess. But yeah, so this belly casting kit is what I'll be using on my belly. So basically, I guess you just use scissors. They give you everything that you need, the paste, the strips, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up, get this all set up for my boyfriend to do on me, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like, obviously on and you guys could follow the progress with me. But really quickly, you guys, I'm gonna give you guys like a belly update of me 34 weeks or whatever. So here I am. So yeah, you guys, I'm 34 weeks. Almost there, y'all. But yeah, anyways, let's get into this belly cast or whatever. Okay, guys, so we're about to put the strips and do the casting on. First, they have you put this on, and it's a belly lubricant. And it's a belly, like, what's it called? A belly ointment kind of thing. And you put this on before you put the casting on. It's like a Vaseline. So yeah. You can't be replaced. So go now. You guys, I finally took my belly ring out because obviously I didn't want to like keep it on for this video because the piercing would have been in the way. So I took it out. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. No one else, you're all me. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. And I guess you guys, you do like 2 to 3 layers. They did give us like 4 rolls, I think, 4 or 5 rolls of this pasting strips or whatever. So yeah, you're supposed to get like, or you're supposed to do 2 or 3 layers, but I heard that some girls actually get it to where they can get 2 casts. So yeah, we're gonna do 2 or 3 more layers of this. So obviously I have to be off camera to take my sports bra off, and then we'll start that process off camera and then come back on. That is so cool. Not gonna lie though, you guys, this shit does get messy. It does get a little messy. But in the kit that I showed you guys, it does come with like a lot of plastic wrap. So like you could place the wrap on your chair, on your floor, and you won't get as messy. But how to do it? It's getting like I can't be getting up. Oh god, that's quick. And my thighs. My thighs, y'all. Don't need to be hard. Alright, you guys, so we got some of my top area all done. This cast, you guys, dries quick as F. So I would recommend to like have all your strips that you think you might need ready and prepared because they dry really, really quickly. and I was obviously trying to help and stuff, it gets messy. Make sure you're wearing clothes, you guys, that you don't mind getting dirty. I don't know if the stuff is gonna come off, but I'm wearing shorts and like I have my sports bra on. Hopefully it doesn't get too stained, but we'll see. This reminds me of like paint slash like cement, obviously, but so good. But yeah, you guys, we're almost done. Like I said, this mug dries pretty quickly. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna let the last pieces that we just put on dry up, and I'll be back, y'all, to show you guys the aftermath or whatever. Alright, you guys, so we're all done here, all messy, and like I said, waiting on this to dry, and it's getting there. The belly part is getting there because we did that first, and yeah, kind of can't wait till it's almost completely dry so I can kind of take it off and let it dry overnight to take this off, because it's a little uncomfortable now and I'm stuck in this position. So yeah, I'm gonna let it dry some more, and then I'm gonna take it off and then let you guys kind of see it what it may be formed into when it's completely dry. So yeah, continue watching. Okay, you guys, so you guys see me put this belly cast on. Let me just say, like, it gets messy, and if you have any little bitty hairs on your stomach, on your belly, when you take the cast off, it's gonna rip it off, okay? Like, so be prepared. Shave. I should have shaved before I put the belly cast on, but whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's still drying, so bear with me. Okay, you guys, so this is my belly cast that I just did. This is my full belly and my tatas or whatever. It's still drying, so I'm being very, very careful. Like I said, it was messy, and I keep saying it because it was. It's all over my floor, my hair, my face, my body. I'm gonna take a shower after this. But you guys, it was so much fun, you guys, to do this, and look how like little but wide as fuck I am. Look how big my tatas are. So you guys, here's another view of my belly cast. I'm hella wide, y'all. It's whatever. I'm like 5 feet and like, you know, thick or whatever. But it's super cute. I'm glad I did it. Shout out to my boyfriend for helping me tremendously. This is both his and my first time doing something like this, so it was pretty cool. Okay, you guys, so that was the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you know every time I post a new video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.